Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to see new cipher code for Hamster Combat. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my channel and videos to your friends. To get today's cipher code, follow these steps to get 1 meter points in your account. Steps. To get W you need to do dash dash. To get a you need to do dash. To get L you need to do dash dot. Again. To get L you need to do dash dot. To get E you need to do dot. To get T you need to do dash. And also see my new videos on the Hamster Combat and also on the new cryptocurrency which are launching in upcoming days. Thank you.